की जो डिविसिव पॉलिटिक्स थी बीजेपी के जरिए, जो एक हेट पॉलिटिक्स थी बीजेपी के जरिए, और यहाँ के अवाम पे जो जुल्म सितम यहाँ के बीजेपी ने ढाए, उसके खिलाफ ये वर्डिक्ट था। और ये जो अवाम ने एक बहुत संजीदा तरीके से वोट डाला, ये जानते हुए कि बीजेपी जिस वक्त अपने पुराने मामलात में जो उन्होंने चेस बोर्ड सजाया था यहाँ पे जम्मू कश्मीर को हैंडल करने का, ABC टीम जिनको उर्फ आम में कहा जाता है, जब देखा कि वो भी नाकाम हो गए हैं तो उन्होंने बीजेपी ने एक नया मेथड डिवाइस किया, दैट वाज पुटिंग इंडिपेंडेंट कैंडिडेट्स, नंबरलेस इंडिपेंडेंट कैंडिडेट्स। तो उस सूरत में लोगों ने वो जानते हुए कि ये इसकी नेफेरियस पॉलिसीज हैं, उनको भी नकार दिया, और इसलिए ये सारे जो एक अलायंस के हक में जो वोट मिलता है, इसका सेहरा जो है वो लोगों के। See, I have been maintaining it that the priority number one is to get back our statehood, and with powers, with rights on land and with rights on the jobs. And moreover, we have another burning issue, that is the unemployment. We have crossed even 28% of the unemployment in this entire country. That we are number 2. So that would be our priority. And then we have day-to-day issues which also need the priorities, because we have been subjugated. The people of Jammu and Kashmir have been subjugated in so many manners, in so many ways, and in so many things that total review may be needed for the laws implemented here, and for the method of governance that has to be rectified.
Will restoration of Article 370 be figured in any of your priorities?
See, every party goes to the polls with their own agenda, with their own manifesto, and it is not a merger of the manifestos, it is just an arrangement. And after this verdict is out, so we may have to sit together and sort out certain contentious issues and move forward accordingly.
Why couldn't Congress do well in Jammu?
That has to be seen. I can't tell it offhand this time.
And how is this win for Kashmir, especially for Congress?
Well, it's quite encouraging. It's quite encouraging. People have been off and on saying that Congress is only in Jammu. But today people of Kashmir have proved that Congress has a base here as well, and it has its acceptability. And the biggest thing which is very heartening is that the people of Kashmir have given their support to Rahul Gandhi, and because he had created a feel-good factor amongst the people of Kashmir, especially the youth, and youth have responded to his call.
So PDP seems to have lost the ground. But why do you think? Why did it sink?
I can't say for PDP. PDP alone can say for that.
फॉरेन JKPCC प्रेसिडेंट की हारना, उसको आप कैसे देखते हैं?
इसको
फॉर्मर JKPCC प्रेसिडेंट विकार सिंह।
इट्स अ कंटेस्ट, उसमें कौन से फैक्टर्स हुए होंगे अभी तो उसके बारे में हम कुछ नहीं कह सकते। कंटेस्ट में हार और जीत के बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स होते हैं, सो दैट इज अ थिंग व्हिच हैज टू बी असर्टेन्ड।